folks, I just thought I'd come back to this big 60mm TESSI lock, and that is because it's not as ferocious. Obviously you saw me pick it yesterday, and obviously since then I've had a little play around with it, because why have all these picks and not see what you can do to every lock? And I'll show you what I've discovered basically. So let's see if there's tension and fits. So yeah, here we go. We'll just show it all working again as we do. Now we'll start off with a bitting on the key. I did say yesterday that's not particularly great, didn't I? So you don't really need much to pick it. Just this tiny little offset hybrid will do it from Door Lock Tools basically. So we're going to have a little go with that for a start. Pop tensioner in, and let's see if I can zip it for a start. No, maybe a different tensioner. This is the one I was using, I think. There we go, if I can get it in. So yeah, that's a zip with that tiny little thing. And obviously then we've got to get the city rake out. Door Lock Tool city rake. Straight open again. Lock Hairboy city rake, slightly bigger profile, same profile, just a bit bigger. Obviously you can expect that to work as well, and it does. So yeah, despite all its boasts being anti-shim with the ball bearings and the closed shackle and the hardened steel, doesn't mean anything if you put a shit core in it, and if you're bitting, sorry, is awful. So yeah, 4-peak rake. Five-peak rake. Triple peak. And so on. Hybrid. So yeah, lock makers, it's all well and good putting all your money into this, but it doesn't mean anything. Let's try worm. Doesn't mean anything. There you go, look. It's just falling open. So yeah, that's that. Just want to share that with you folks. That is the TESSI Humiliated. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.